what a rainy day, but it is like 56 degrees on New Year's Eve. Project 7-3. Oh, the good girl is going away. Let's walk over here and get a side view with the toolboxes stripped off. Look at that beauty right there. She's getting ready to go bye-bye. I'm in my way to town now to do a little trading on it. I really like the girl, but I'll mention some reasons here in just a second on why I'm getting rid of her. What a beautiful gloomy day. I love this weather. We'll be back here in just a second, guys. Oh, the deal is done. I hope I didn't totally lose my ass on this truck. I think it's like a 2000 or a 2002 Ford F350. Powerstroke, obviously, automatic. But 381,000 miles. And she is dirty. You can't see because I'm parked in a car wash right now because it's raining. But it is, the guy never washed it. It's set years ago, but he never washed it. So I'm gonna give her a quick bath before I head home. Well used on the bed. Grass seed, mud, and everything else in here. Craziness.